To help you stay on top of your health knowledge, we've put together 11 health-related facts that just might surprise you in 2 parts. Part 1. 11. Drink something hot to cool down. When you drink a hot drink, your body produces sweat to cool down your body temperature. Initially, you may be adding heat by drinking the hot liquid, but the amount of sweat that your body produces to cool down more than makes up for the added heat from the liquid. The increased perspiration is the key. When the sweat evaporates from your skin, it is able to cool down your body temperature. 10. Your sweat is mostly made up of water. About 99% of our sweat is water. How much we sweat depends on gender, age, and other factors. 9. The strongest muscle in your body. The muscle that can exert the most force is the calf muscle, the soleus, but the muscle that can exert the most pressure is the jaw muscle, or the masseter. The human jaw can close teeth with a force greater than 200 pounds. 8. More than half your bones are in your hands and feet. We are born with approximately 300 bones, which eventually fuse together during maturation. The adult body consists of 206 bones, of which 106 are in the hands and feet. 7. You can physically see high cholesterol. It is possible to see signs on your body that you may have high cholesterol. Xanthelasma are cholesterol-filled bumps that form under your skin. It can be an indicator of possible heart disease. 6. Cholesterol-free can be bad for your cholesterol. Food labels may say that it is cholesterol-free. However, that does not mean that the food is good for your cholesterol levels. The products still have trans fats, such as vegetable oils or saturated fats, which are not good for your cholesterol levels and result in an increase in its levels and should be avoided as much as possible. This channel is made to help you know your body better. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any videos in the future about your body.